Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to pin any program to the taskbar. Pinning a program in Windows means you can always have a shortcut to it within easy reach. This is handy in case you have regular programs that you want to open without having to search for them or scroll through the All Apps list. The simplest way to customize your taskbar is by pinning various programs and shortcuts to it through the Pin this program to taskbar option. And there are two choices when it comes to getting an application to stick. First, you need to know where to find your computer's taskbar and know what it's capable of doing. The taskbar is found on the bottom part of your computer screen and is always there no matter what type of window you open, except if you are watching a video in full screen. The taskbar holds the icons of all the programs and application that you open and provides easy access to it anytime. You are also take some items you consider to be important and pin them on the taskbar so you can easily launch them without going to the Start menu. The following items will describe some ways on how you can pin some special items on the taskbar. Here is how to do it. Search and locate which program you want to pin to the taskbar. It can be any program of your choice. Some programs might not be pinned on the taskbar, so choose one that can be pinned on the taskbar. Once you have got it, click on it but don't open it. Now right-click on it to view many options that can be executable on the file. Next locate where it's written Pin to Taskbar and click on it once you found it. Now as you can see on your taskbar, your program should be pinned successfully. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.